Even my mother, I cannot send her for Ukwa. Don't give anybody Ukwa until I come. You are laughing at. You are laughing. You are laughing. She will now go share food for you. Come, come. It's my wedding. Come, yeah. Shebi the Ukwa is two coolers.
Yes,
Ukwa,
two
coolers, Abi.
Yes.
Listen to me. It's not everybody that will eat Ukwa.
So what are we not going to serve?
Calm down. Tell your madam, please. I see one guy eating one big meat. That no buka.
But serve yourself.
See, wait first. See, bed. Kele. No, be everybody should give Ukwa. The Ukwa is for my club people. Anybody that come to you that I send him is a lie. Even my mother, I cannot send her for Ukwa. Don't give anybody Ukwa until I come. You are laughing at. You are laughing. You are laughing. You are laughing. Come. Onye nwa Fanta, nyamuna Coke. Onye nwa life, nyamuna Hero. Please. And then, by the way, how do you intend to share the food?
It's serve yourself that we are doing here. You come, you take the food that you want. Serve yourself. They are different delicacies.
I know you came from Lagos. Listen to me. It's my wedding. Come up with wedding. In Onitsha, serve yourself is not working. Come and tell her. If you do serve yourself, first line somebody will carry Ukwa, carry stew, put on top of Ukwa, carry ofe. He wants to. It's my wedding. It's my wedding. It's my wedding. See how you share the food. In short, share the food according to the phone the person is using. To know the big man and poor man. People that is using iPhone 12, Pro Max, iPhone 11, don't give them Ukwa, give them plantain porridge. Samsung Galaxy, iPhone 10, iPhone 9, iPhone 8, give them Ofo Nugu. Semo. People that are using iPhone 6 and take no fee, give them a bacha. You see all this? Anybody that is using itel, China phone, Akatel, give them white rice. They should go and hustle for their own stew. Give them white rice. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Onye nwa Fanta, nyamuna Coke. Onye nwa beer, nyamuna Biko. I'm talking people are laughing. Do you know I'm the one wedding today? Please listen. You are hearing me, Abi? I'm talking, you are laughing. Share the food according to what I plan. Because people are looking very beautiful. I'm going to later. I'm going to call the chance.